Being the student of this modern era, we always wait for some scheduled gala days. And among this, the most expected one is our Teachers' Day, the teachers who guide us forward for a bright future. We have to assemble here in our college auditorium at our college complex and to perform in various functions related to our Teachers' Day, as today is 5th September. But due to this community COVID-19, we are so disheartened and so feeble that we are sitting here at our home only and wishing you, sir and ma'am, happy Teachers' Day. Just like the dirt made us ruin our all expectation, plans, and programs. But nevertheless, I want to say that, dear COVID 19, you should know that you make our misfortune to celebrate our Teachers' Day at our college together. But you should know that where our respect, our celebrating mood is so active to dedicate it to our teachers. We all are wishing good health and wealth to our teachers, and due to this pandemic our teachers celebration is not get interrupted. Let's observe this from our home. Let respect our teachers inside home. Let overcome these black days together. Thank you all.
Namaskar, good afternoon to our all respected teachers. Happy Teachers' Day to our all respected teachers. It's not only for occasion, it's our emotion. I have no words to say about the teachers because they are God to us. Happy Teachers' Day to my parents because they are first teachers in my life. Just like every year, this year also we are celebrated Teachers' Day. Every year, 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India, of commemorating the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan as a teacher, as a vice president, and as a second president of India, made an immense contribution to our country. On this special occasion, I wish to convey my best wishes greetings to all my teachers and all those who helped to attain success in my academics. Everybody, let us remember, one book, one pen, one student, and teachers change the world. Teaching profession is a noble profession. As we all know, that is impossible to define teachers as teachers or guiding students in academics, but also helping students to take the right path. They add value to our character and make us ideal citizens of the country. In this pandemic condition, I hope all of you are fine. I pray to God that everyone stays well and healthy. Once again, a very happy Teachers' Day to my all respected teachers. Thank you. Namaskar.
You are not only our teachers, but also our guide, philosopher, and friend, all molded into one person. God made teachers. God understood our thirst for knowledge and our need of a sympathetic person and full of patience. Today, therefore, I pay a hearty tribute to all my dear teachers who take infinite initiatives to build, to create our future. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, and the love you give us make you world's best teacher. You guide us, you inspire us, you support us. Today is a day to thank all of you and say Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. We never thought we have to celebrate our Teachers' Day in such a way, but due to COVID, we have to. There are many things to do, there are many plans for this day because this is gonna be our last Teachers' Day in our college. But this COVID don't give a single opportunity to celebrate this day. But anyway, I just want to thank you for supporting us, for guiding us in every situation. You are always there from the practical class to our Northeast tour. Even in this pandemic situation, you are supporting us, you are motivating us for studying just because of our brighter future. So thank you for all your efforts, and for you, I can become a better version of myself. Thank you, sir, ma'am. And once again, happy Teachers' Day.
A very good morning to respected principal sir, respected teacher, my seniors and my batchmate Myself, Raima Debbarma from First Day. On this special day, I would like to wish our teachers a happy Teachers' Day, and I feel immensely blessed to say something on this special day. Thank you for all their guidance and support to all our teachers. Even though in this rough time of pandemic, you have continuously supported and guided us and motivated us to study and continue with our courses. Even though this year our Teachers' Day celebration may lack the reality, but deep inside our heart is filled with gratitude which will never change for our teachers. We really miss you, our teachers, and our college. I hope new day, new sun will shine, and we all will be together with a good day, and there will be no difference between the distance between us. I hope the day will come soon. For now, I would like to wish for a good health for all of you, and would like to wish you again happy Teachers' Day. Thank you for listening me with patience.
Good morning to all my respected teacher, and also happy Teachers' Day to all. প্রথমে আমি আমার বক্তব্য শুরু করার আগে প্রথমে কোলিন উইলকক্সের একটা লাইন দিয়ে শুরু করব, যেখানে তিনি বলেছেন, টিচিং ইজ দ্য গ্রেটেস্ট অ্যাক্ট অফ অপটিমিজম। তো শিক্ষক দিবসে এই পুণ্যতিথিতে আমি আমার সকল শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকা গুরুজনদের জানাই প্রণাম। শিক্ষক আমাদের জীবনের একমাত্র ভরসা। শিক্ষক ছাড়া জীবনে আমরা অত্যন্ত ক্ষুদ্র এবং তুচ্ছ। আমাদের সকলের জীবনে শিক্ষকের ভূমিকা অপরিসীম ও গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। আমাদের সকলের জীবনে এখন এমন একটা সময় দিয়ে যাচ্ছে যেখানে আমাদের এগোবার এবং দেশকে আগে নিয়ে যাওয়ার একমাত্র পথ হলো নিজের প্রতি আত্মবিশ্বাস, এবং যেটা আমাদেরকে একমাত্র একজন ভালো আদর্শ শিক্ষকই দিতে পারে। শিক্ষকরা শুধু আমাদের শিক্ষার দিক দিয়ে নয়, তারা আমাদের জীবনের ফর্মাল ইনফর্মাল প্রত্যেকটা প্রবলেমকে, প্রত্যেকটা সিচুয়েশনকে তারা আমাদের সলিউশন করে দেয় এবং ওভারকাম করে সেখান থেকে বেরিয়ে আসার জন্য এবং ভালো করে একটা ভালো মানুষ হয়ে চলার জন্য। আমরা সকলেই এখন সবথেকে বেশি মিস করছি আমাদের কলেজ ক্যাম্পাসকে, প্রত্যেকের হোস্টেলকে। কারণ এই লকডাউনের সময় আমরা প্রায় 5 মাস ধরে বাড়িতে আছি, তো অবভিয়াসলি আমরা কলেজকে খুব মিস করছি। বিশেষ করে আজকের দিনটা, টিচার্স ডের দিনটাকে আমরা খুবই মিস করছি, কারণ এই সময়টা ছিল আমাদের লাইফের টিচার্স ডেটা ছিল আমাদের লাইফের সবচেয়ে বড় মেমোরেবল ডে। তাই এই লকডাউনের পরিস্থিতিতে ঘরে বসেই প্রত্যেক টিচারকে, প্রত্যেক শিক্ষককে এবং আমার গুরুজনকে, আমার নিজের দিদিকে, সিনিয়র সকলকে জানাই শিক্ষক দিবসের অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা এবং ভালোবাসা এবং প্রণাম। তো শিক্ষকরা শুরু থেকেই আমাদেরকে, ছোটোবেলা থেকে আমাদেরকে গাইড করেছে, তারা আমাদেরকে সাপোর্ট করেছে, তারা আমাদেরকে ইন্সপায়ার করেছে, তারা আমাদেরকে পড়িয়েছে। একজন ভালো মানুষ হয়ে ওঠার জন্য তাদের ভূমিকা আমাদের জীবনে অপরিসীম। আমরা কোনোদিনই তাদের এই ভূমিকাকে আমরা কোনোদিনই পরিশোধ করতে পারবো না, কোনোভাবেই এই ভূমিকা তাদেরকে মিটিয়ে দিতে পারবো না। তো আমরা এই শিক্ষক দিবসে তাদেরকে সহস্র প্রণাম এবং নমস্কার জানাচ্ছি, because they are the most important backbone for every student's life. So we will always be thankful to you all for all the hard work and effort that you have put to educate us. Lastly, আবার সবাইকে হ্যাপি টিচার্স ডে।
A very good afternoon, everyone. First of all, happy Teachers' Day. A warm and heartful wishes for the start of the day, all of my beloved teachers present there. On this special occasion, I would like to say something for my teachers or my mentors. A teacher is like a doctor who heals the ignorance, and like an artist who inspires the creativity. A teacher like a candle who consumes itself to enlighten the other's way. A teacher makes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. It's all of your guidance and methods that helps me to excel in all that I do. It's all because of your constant guidance and efforts and blessings that helps us to establish as a responsible person. Today, what I am is all because of you, teachers. A grateful, heartful gratitude to all of my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
As Joyce Meyer rightly quoted, teachers can change lives with just the right mix of chalk and challenges. Remembering Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan on his birthday and paying my gratitude for being our role model and as a constant source of courage and inspiration in every aspect of our life. A friend, philosopher, guide, teachers are our epitome of strength. They are the one who could possibly see our hidden potential. I found immense guidance, friendship, discipline, enthusiasm all in one person, that is, my teachers. Dear teachers, I therefore pay immense gratitude for inspiring hope and igniting my imagination to do resilient excel in my career. There is no better time to acknowledge this fact and express gratitude to my teachers on their very special day, that is, Teachers' Day. Thank you for being my backbone and a burning source of inspiration in every step of my life. Last but not the least, a very happy Teachers' Day to all my dearest teachers. Thank you.
Myself, Antara Debbarma. I am from first year. As a teacher, you gave me the tools which I need to face my future. I wanted to take a moment to say thank you on this Teachers' Day. सही क्या है गलत क्या है समझाते हो आप, भटक जाए तो सही रास्ता दिखाते हो आप, सच क्या है झूठ क्या है समझाते हो आप. A very happy Teachers' Day to all of our respected teachers. I feel so fortunate to have been placed in your class. Thank you for being such an amazing, caring teachers. Thank you for all your hard works and all efforts.
I'm Rishika Ghosh from first year. A warm and heartfelt welcome to the respected principal and the star of the day, my respected teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is the most crucial occasion in every student's life. Teachers' Day is commemorated on the 5th September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. We call this profession of teaching as a noble profession. Yes, it is a noble profession. More in the sense, when we find the teachers doing a selfless and devoted service as compared to the other profession in which the pupil weigh the salary package before talking up the jobs. Hundreds of thousands of people are working as the teachers in our schools and colleges. As Joyce Meyer rightly quoted that teachers can change lives with just the right mix of chalk and challenges. A teacher is a good friend and a guide of our life, who also imparts good values in us. Teachers take their best efforts to turn the students into responsible citizens. Teachers are a very important role in our life. Lastly, I would like to say that the way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you give makes you world's best teachers. Thank you.
A very humble pranam to all my teachers. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. I would like to sing 2 lines of a song as a tribute to them. तुम सा कौन है मीत है सद्गुरु, तुम हो मीत हमारे, तुम हो मीत हमारे. हम बालक तुम पिता हो सद्गुरु, तुम चिर सजन प्यारे. तुम सा कौन है मीत है सद्गुरु, तुम हो मीत हमारे, तुम हो मीत हमारे, तुम हो मीत हमारे.